In this video, we're going to be discussing 3 mods that you can do to your truck for under $100. Number 1 on my list is a good cell phone holder. Now, I have a review on this that I did, but it's about $40 and it's made by a company called Tacform. Now, as you can see, it clamps right up in the upper part of this vent. So if I go over here to the other one, there's actually kind of a hook where this silver trim piece is. And so at least for my truck, the 2019s, they actually build something that will clamp this onto the top of the vent. Now, this has been super solid. It actually is uncanny how solid it is. If you have one of the newer iPhones you can run, or I run these magnetic stickers on the back of my phone case. Phone goes on there and it is not moving anywhere. The only time I've had this thing come off is when I'm hitting washboard fast in the truck and it'll kind of go like get sideways, you know, you have to straighten it a little bit. I think there may have been one time when I was at an off-road park and I hit something and it actually fell, but it is a good solid magnet. It works really well and it's 40 bucks. So they do have these for the newer Super Duties, so don't worry if you have a truck that's newer than mine. The second mod that's super worth doing in any of the Ford Super Duties is the driver's side seat release for the rear. So Built Right Industries makes this clamp. It basically is a plastic shim and a little nylon handle. So this little mechanism allows you to release this whole back seat and get access to all of this storage. So obviously we have access to the storage behind that seat. It's usually where Ford puts the jacks and stuff. That's the passenger side rear. But the driver's side rear has double the space and there's no way to access it. And I am not being paid by Built Right to show their products. I have no affiliation with them, but I would recommend ordering directly from them because there's a lot of these knockoffs floating around on Amazon. So I would go to Built Right Industries and look up your vehicle and get this for your truck. And it is amazing to have access to all that space for storage for all kinds of things. It's $35 too. So again, as far as these trucks go, if you can get something that's useful and helpful for under $100, it's a win. Now the next thing that I want to show you is under here, and it's 25 bucks. I got the SPE oil drain plug. It allows you to just use a 3/8 ratcheting wrench with no socket. I mean, obviously you could use a socket if you wanted to. It's also hex shaped, but I don't know, the Ford OEM plug was fine. I just kind of like the idea of not having to use a socket every time to do my oil change. Purely convenience. You definitely don't have to do this. It's not essential at all, but kind of a fun ad if you do a lot of oil changes. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you checking out the channel. Be sure to subscribe to catch the next video here on Power Stroke Maintenance. Cheers.